Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you KLM's latest business class amenity kit as of March 2023. So here we have the Amenity amenity kit, which is a lot more stylish than the other amenity kit that I got some months back on KLM. So you do have a nice bag there. So the contents include, as I can get myself together, having to pick up some of the contents. You've got an eye mask, toothbrush, toothpaste, there you have the rituals, got lip balm and some hand cream, got earplugs and socks also to go along with a pen there as well. So pretty decent stocked amenity kit for KLM's business class. Again, this was as of March 2023, just to give you an idea what you could expect if you're flying KLM anytime soon in business class. As always, I appreciate you watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.